What is up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Daphne. This video is gonna be rather quick. It's gonna be rather quick, and y'all, so if y'all watched my last video, I shared with you all a retail arbitrage experience on me going to my local dollar store and sourcing products to ship into Amazon FBA. And by the way, if you did watch that video, those products are selling for me. One of the products that I showed y'all in the video that I told y'all to stay tuned that I would make a video about were these 2021 journals that I picked up at my local dollar store, King Dollar. And the reason I want to talk about this was to basically, well, first of all, before I go into that, we're just going to do a quick breakdown right here on the numbers and how much I made. In the last video, I told y'all that I made $250 in 2 months, but I actually made about $450 in 2 months selling this one product. So I did sell this product in different variations. I'm going to go ahead and put the photo right here. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and break down the numbers on this item right quick before I get into the next part. So I sold these at $9.99 free shipping, so that would be a total revenue of $989. eBay fees, the eBay fees, if I'm not mistaken, is 12%. So that would be about $119 in eBay fees. The cost of goods, I purchased these at about $1.50 a piece, maybe a little bit less, so that would make that about $149. And then the shipping, I paid $2.80 a piece, medium mail, and that would make the shipping cost $277, leaving me with a profit of about $444, y'all. If those numbers, if that did not add up right, it's very, very close, so don't judge me. I listed my the first book November 10th, and I sold my last one January 12th. So that was about 2 months. November, December, January. So 2 months, I made $450 selling this one product, y'all. So basically, what I wanted to make this video was to basically just talk about selling seasonal products. So I feel like this might be helpful to maybe just people who are new to reselling and want to start off with something simple and small. Maybe people who want to do a little reselling, who like shopping and stuff like that, but they don't want to store a bunch of inventory, because seasonal products, they're going to be in and out, they're not going to sit there, you know what I'm saying? And are just people who are reselling and just want to add a little bit of extra income to what they're doing already. For me, example, I mainly sell clothing, but I do dibble and dabble. This light on my nose. I do dibble. For me, I sell mainly clothing, but I do dibble and dabble in other things as well. And you know, I just love shopping, so when I see something I feel like I get a profit on, it was a good time. I saw these, I was like, oh, the new year's coming up, let me grab a few. I took professional listings of them like these again, and if you're interested in how I take my photos, go ahead and click on this video up here. And yeah, so, and I just constantly went back and got more, y'all. I didn't keep a whole stock of them. I think I had maybe, after I realized they were selling, I think I had maybe 30 of them at a time. And what I mean by seasonal products is products that sell for a small amount of time throughout the year, like 2 to 3 months, like New Year's, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Halloween, stuff like that. So, you know, shopping at your local dollar store or whatever the case, wherever you could get, or wholesale place where you can get, you know, seasonal products, and, you know, list them and sell them for a profit, which is really good. They don't sit too long. It's not like they don't sell all year long, so they're not going to sit too long. You're going to make fast profits because people are getting online for convenience to search for these products. You might be wondering, like, well, won't they know that they're dollar store items? Won't these items be cheap? No, not necessarily, because this is a dollar store item. But this, I think this company that distributes to the dollar store that I shop at, they create their own products. I'm pretty sure they're made, yeah, in China. So they're made really, really cheap. So they're able to sell them really, really cheap. And these are very, very good quality. I wouldn't have picked them up if they weren't. And I got all, I believe, except one person. I sold 99 journals and got 100% positive feedback on all of them. everybody loves them except one person. Selling seasonal products could be an extra source of income for resellers. So yeah, that's it, I believe. You can basically pick whatever products or whatever seasons you want to sell in if you want. The products move pretty fast, fast profits. You know what I'm saying? People are looking for certain products at a certain time of the year. So all you have to do is make sure you purchase those products a month or two ahead of time, and then once people are, you know, last minute shoppers, busy people, working people, they're getting online searching for these products, boom, very fast profits, and the inventory is going out of your way. So yeah, I just want to make a video about just an extra way to make income as a reseller, and that is it, y'all. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.